How to fix this number cannot be used for verification. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Google account not accepting a phone number for verification. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is you can head over to your mail first, and after you're on your mail, first, the reason why you cannot actually use a phone number for verification is because, or it might be because, the number has already been used for another account. So if you do want that very number for your new account, what you can do is you can actually head over to the another email account which has that very phone number. So for that, open up a mail or any Google related app, tap on the top right corner, and then tap on manage your Google account. After you tap on manage your Google account, you can see your data here. You can see your Google account's information. And after you're here, if you scroll down, you should find an option that says contact info. And there you should find the phone option. Tap on it and head over there. After you're there, you can simply remove the phone number from here. You can easily remove it. If you do not have a backup email address, put in your contact info. Make sure that you do that first and add it as a recovery email, and then you can remove the phone number. After you do that, you can head back to creating the new account, and then you can use that very mobile number. And that is how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.